So I'm working on this thing again. The control arm had broken, so I went to nothing. I called Wolfpack and I said, hey dude, can I ship this to you so you can fix it? That way I could keep doing what I had to do as far as work goes. Then come back to this. He did a hell of a job packing it all back up for me. Let's see what it looks like. I'm not too worried about scratching it or anything like that, 'cause I use it. So at this point, I'm just basically unwrapping everything. Gonna check if everything works, line it all up. I'm gonna have to go to King Bolt because I want to get some badass bolts for everything. I'm just mocking it all up here. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll grab myself a little baggie. Here's the thing that sucks about Cali, man, is I could be stuck here at this intersection forever. It's finally moving, but people, these streets are like freeways. .333. We are $20 minutes away now. I can't believe how far shit is, man. This thing wants me to get on the free. What up, buddy? It's cracking. Just driving. I was gonna try to make it to King Bolt, but they close at 4, and I don't know. I'm driving there right now trying to make it, but traffic is fucking rowdy. It says 35 minutes to go 9 miles to King Bolt.
Hey, rowdy, huh?
Rowdy ass traffic. Fuck.
What's going on?
Making passes in the love already, or what?
They took off the seats and they put a chassis, so I'm right here adjusting the seatbelts.
I think they might be closed. Still gonna check. So they're open. Got my grade A bolts. Was in and out of here in like 5 minutes. Didn't want to record everybody. Everybody's been here anyways, right? King Bolt. So I get back to the shop, bam bam, put the car back together. So check this out. I think this thing's been running for a little while. I put it back on the pod and see. What's cool is when you put it back in the pod, it charges, but if you see, it's back in the pod. But these batteries are just terrible. So if you're gonna try to like film what you do or vlog on it, be prepared to have a plan for your batteries like that. I'll just leave it there, close this. My computer's set to charge that. So I'll use this white one while that one's recording. Huh?
Would you let me have a cigarette?
I don't, bro. I got those last ones. I gave them to you, but next time I get some, I'll give you some. Huh? So any footage I got here was kind of messed up, so I'm just gonna head to the 360 stuff from later tonight. Alright, so I adjust the camera, pull. I think next time I'll just try suction it to the car. I think it'll be cool. And then I don't have to have it as far out. We'll see. But it gets a pretty good view. I'm gonna go try it out and see if there's less bounce to it. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. Thanks, man. You too. So you can hear a lot of wind noise here, but I have some earmuffs for the Insta 360 that I think are going to help. I should have put them on, but honestly I was just really just trying to get angles and learn the camera. Thank you.
Yours?
Yeah.
The Mach 1? No.
It's a 66.
It's fucking bad, dude. It's fucking bad.
Thank you.
Bad ass ride right here.
Thank you. Right here fucking with the
What is that right there?
camera?
What are you recording?
I just record everything.
Anything weird?
No, just about cars.
Crazy, man.
Like on YouTube and shit.
All right.
Yeah.
You're like pretty well known or what? You know there? Not really that yet.
Not yet.
All right. This is a bad ride, dude.
Thank you, bro.
Hey, it came with the windows and everything like that? The side ones like that? Brand new looking like that? Or you did them brand new? From where? Where are you from? Where are you there? Came from one with this?
Yeah. Why?
I could phone some crazy fucking Cherryville and 118 South Street, right?
Yeah.
You ain't lying around there or what?
Yeah.
All right. Nice area.
It's cool. It's solid. Enough of that nonsense. Let's give this third angle or fourth angle a test now.